Omo like this, based on all the big wey dey sup since for the presidential tribunal lifestyle, una know say na today na all the respondents officially close their case concerning Peter Obi and Labour Party. So like this now, so all Peter Obi legal counsel, including PDP legal counsel, they don come out now, don express satisfaction and drop one or two updates concerning this matter so far and wetin to expect when the final address go start in the next 10 days. Make I not too talk too much. When I just watch the video, I go first watch Peter Obi lawyers as they talk their own. Then after that one, I go show now what PDP lawyers talk about everything the substance. I beg as they watch am, not forget to also share the video, make other people get interest for this matter. So make they see am, so they know what it is sub for the tribunal lifestyle. When I watch the video first.
We thank God that this case has successfully come to successfully completed the hearing today, and the next stage is for us to go into writing of addresses. Well, you must have, I'm sure that you know that INEC called one witness, closed their case. Second and third respondents called one, closed their case. APC had no courage to call any, and they closed their case. The witness for the second and third, the only thing I can say, I encourage you people, look for his deposition, place it side by side with the cross-examination. You make up your minds and find out whether the two of them are consistent. I don't want to go further into that. You can do the investigation. So I can tell you that we are happy the way and manner the hearing ended. We are very ready to react to the addresses of the respondents, which they must file in the next 10 days from today. Thereafter, we will file our reply. Thank you. God bless you all.
One question. Notice you were very careful touching on membership of the party. Can you tell us why? You didn't ask questions regarding
Now, it's very simple. The membership of His Excellency Peter Obi has been determined by the Federal High Court, and they went on to Court of Appeal. Court of Appeal confirmed the decision of the Federal High Court. So it's a no issue. It's a judgment in rem. It's a no issue. So we don't want to edify anybody by joining issues with something that does not exist. It's as simple as that. So I'll be surprised if they are not aware of these two judgments. If they are not aware of these two judgments, then it's not our fault. It's their fault. So that's it. Thank you. Yeah.
I will describe it as a glorious ending. And you can all see what happened. As soon as we finished the proceedings, the rains fell. The rains came down. So God answered our prayers. Showers of rain are a symbolic and poetic sign of blessing. And that's what we witness today. Whatever has a beginning must have an end. Today, the proceedings in terms of hearing or the petition filed by Waziri Atiku Abubakar and the People's Democratic Party, the PDP, against INEC, against Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and against the APC has come to an end. We were able to call, that is Atiku and PDP were able to call 27 witnesses, some of them expert witnesses, star witnesses, in proof of our case. we tendered a deluge of documents which were all admitted and marked as exhibits in spite of strenuous opposition by the respondents. On the other hand, the reverse side of the coin is that INEC, on whom the burden of holding elections should actually lie as to whether the elections were free and fair, called only one witness. Secondly, the second respondent, Tinubu himself, only called one witness, Senator Michael Bamidele Okpeyemi, who yesterday was elected as the majority leader of the Senate. As to the strength or weakness of his evidence, that will be left to the tribunal. But the important thing is that we did grill him through the furnace of the fire to show that the evidence he gave was not credible, and to show that the documents he tendered, particularly the report on the FCT, as a symbol of status and as a fountain of unity of the country, which they themselves tendered, was actually in favor of the petitioners. We were also able to elicit from the witness that Tinubu did not win in his own state, and that he was the only presidential candidate that did not win in his own state. All others won. Atiku won in his own state, Peter Obi won in his own state, and Kwankwaso won in his own state. That he did not win there. We were also able to enlist from the witness that of all the presidential candidates since 1999, none except Tinubu was in a position that he did not score 25%. All of them scored 25% and over, except Tinubu, who had 90-point-something%. All these things were put in evidence today. I think we have run a good race. The judgment belongs to this distinguished and honorable Court of Appeal, which is the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal, to do justice to the case, which has been witnessed by the whole world. Thank you very much.